Let's see how far we can
That's a pool right there. A shower. First a shower, then dip yourself in the pool. And the bus terminal is literally there. That's how close everything is. And there's a supermarket in there too, so we're gonna buy some things later on for food. Yeah, look at that. This is the place.
Hakuna Matata.
Yeah, that's the place we're staying at. Here's the bank. Hola, buenos días. And up here is the supermarket as well. And we are heading off to the national park. So for parking.
Over here, they love their thousands, isn't it?
Oh yeah.
If you get 1,000 coins.
Yes.
I think it's 1,000. I know I've seen 500 in coins.
Yes, there's 100, 500 I've seen as well. Oh, the smell of the beach.
I want this off your tires.
Yeah. You can sit in the back and I'll cycle and I'll push you.
I wouldn't say no to that too.
Yeah, that would be an option. Look at this today, eh? This is the beginning of the national park. And we're gonna see how far we can actually walk.
Yep.
That's our aim for today. And then keep a... Hola! We're gonna see how far we can get and how many animals we can actually spot. Yep. And this is the national park. Hola!
La van a llevar, la anfibia.
¿Cómo?
La anfibia.
Ahora no, nos queremos ir a distancia como, ¿sabes?
Yeah.
Pues hacen total que nos podemos ir con cualquiera.
Está bien.
Gracias. And here, hola, here we go. Sign in. The 12.
Big book.
Your life away. More series. Oh yes. So we have to give a donation. Whatever we like.
Okay, so that's what we get when we
Give a donation.
Pura vida.
Pura vida. Pure life. Oh, babe, you see those things over there? Let me show you. Oh, there it is. So this one, if you want to go to the beach, they will use this one and help you get on it. That's so cool. Anyway, here, more. This here, turtle egg. This is how you protect turtles. And then you know when they're coming up. and then they go straight back into the sea. Yes. So do not feed the animals.
Unless they ask you to feed.
Yes.
Unless the animals ask you.
Yeah, and they prefer.
Kingsley, please feed me. I can't say no to that.
They're like, please, can you give me KFC?
KFC.
Yeah. This is it. Look at this. So all the donation goes to the park and the park rangers. So all the donation goes to the park and the park rangers in order to improve things like this.
It's completely pushable. So they have this trail going all the way. So we'll see how far it goes. I think it stops just there. And then if the sand's like that,
if it's,
then
yeah,
that's fine.
yeah, we'll see, because Kingsley has his front wheel with him. So this is
So
what we
even
want.
without the front wheel, anybody can push on that.
It's really solid.
Yeah.
You can hear the beach, the waves.
So the cool thing is on the left side you hear the beach, on the right side is the wild animals, and
You can hear them, right?
yeah, you hear them. Yeah. And in the middle is the wild Kingsley. I can't live here helping my joints. So chill.
So these are the volunteers for the park. The locals who volunteers a lot. Yeah. Look how green it is, guys. Goes on for quite a while. So you can see sloth here apparently. You can have the white-faced monkeys. And this is where you can go down to the waterfront, I guess. You have raccoons, snakes, insects. Can't see anything right now. This is where it ends, and like we suspected, due to the fact of how many people that walk here.
So since we'll get to this point, it's not accessible anymore, so I'm gonna have to turn around and go back.
Yep, bye bye Kingsley. So look, this is amazing. Because of the so many people walking here, the sand is really hard, and if you want, you can walk along the beach all the time as well.
This has a nice shade.
Oh yes. I didn't bring my bikini to walk on the beach, so I'm preferring walking here.
It's a nudist beach as well.
Why are you not there, babe? So last night we were having some beers with some locals. We did not bring our GoPro because it died. The battery died again. So we learned that Costa Rica has a law which requires all public transportation such as buses to have a ramp so that everyone on a wheelchair or everyone with limited ability can be transported. We had no idea about this, and also it's a law that every single hospitality such as hostels, hotels has a accessible bathroom and also accessible ramp to get into the building. So restaurants, shops, and we have seen it here, but we didn't even know it. But in San Jose, no. San Jose seems like they don't care about that rule. So it's some places are very soft sand. So I think Kingsley had a little problem there.
Yeah, this point's actually okay. Well, apparently we'll get to a point where there's you have to cross a river.
Yeah, I wonder how that's gonna be like. I mean, is he talking about big river or small river? I don't get it. But I'm very, very curious for sure. So they got raccoons here.
This is where me and my friends will chill and talk about world domination. And then we'll go over there and chill as well. I really like this Cahuita.
Yes,
Did I say it right?
Cahuita. Yeah, because you don't pronounce the H. Cahuita.
Cahuita. I really like it. I like Cahuita.
Yeah, there's a lot of potential. There's a lot of potentials here for sure. It's amazing and so nice being under the shade because of the fact that it's so. It gives you a little bit. It's breezy.
Yeah. So the crazy thing is, right now, back home in England, it's actually snowing.
Oh,
Right now,
Yeah.
it's snowing. I had a video from
really?
somebody,
Yeah.
showing snow.
We can't go back right now neither because we don't have the clothes for it. My friend tells me, when are you guys coming? No, we don't have clothes for it. The warmest item we have is a hoodie and a pair of hippie pants.
It's a good walk, isn't it?
It is such a nice walk, babe. So if you guys are interested in coming here, just go to the entrance we used, because the other entrance of this park, they actually have a fixed set entrance fee, and it's quite expensive apparently. I don't remember the price, but here you just give a donation. And here in the mornings, early mornings, when the park open, that's when you see a lot of animals as well, because they're more active during mornings and active during evenings, not like midday when it's hot. So it's good to know if you guys want to go out, what's it called, animal spotting. Apparently there's tons of snakes here too. Kingsley's face telling you this now, huh?
I know.
Look at that, it's so
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah.
They've done it really well, and this is a,
Look,
yeah.
look. You go out there to sit out there. That's cool.
You can sit on the log there. Yeah. If you like this, I definitely think you'll like Ilha Grande in Brazil. Similar thing, Parachi as well. Yeah.
Grande walk is that in north?
No, it's actually very close to Rio.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to Brazil. So for me, Brazil is like the highlight of the journey, because it's just a place I want to stay longer in. But I'm hoping I don't get disappointed. It might just be the one place we stay and then get mugged, get robbed. I don't know.
Of all our travels,
I know.
6 months so far,
know.
and like nothing has ever happened, and
and
we've been
then-
to places, you know, that
Yeah.
could have happened.
I know
So
we got to Brazil, I'm like,
yeah, the first thing
I
when we get off the bus or
I still
something.
don't think I would hate Brazil, even if that happened. I don't think I would hate it. I think I would still want to stay longer. But worst case scenario, I now have this place as my favorite place throughout our journey so far, and a place I would really like to come back to. So
And unfortunately, it seems like we're not going to make it to Panama, Boca del Toro. Boca del Toro is identical to this, but cheaper.
it's not about the price, it's about the people.
Yeah.
I'm not sure what it's like over there, but for me here, how's
Because
the people?
it's you know, it's run like the locals. What are people looking at? Ah, there's a little monkey. That's what's happening. Ah, here, babe. It's here. You can. Oh, you know the monkeys that was on the tree in our hostel? Same one. No,
No,
black,
the-
completely black.
Yeah.
And they go. Yes. Definitely a little bit harder part. Woo!
Come on, you wheelchair. What? Crocodile? How am I gonna get away with this road like this, huh? With a path like this? Do not swim. Do not feed.
Do not pet.
Plan on.
Here, look at this, babe. It's all swamp over there.
Yeah.
It's like proper swamp. And there's tons of tiny fishes in the water. There you go.
We captured destroy the tree then.
I think it'll survive.
Huh?
I think it'll survive.
Will it survive?
Yeah. Look at these, babe. Look at the
What?
coconut trees. These are babies.
Oh yeah.
Coconut baby trees just growing.
We just see it. What
A
did we just
raccoon.
see?
We saw a beach raccoon walking through Kingsley's wheelchair, going up to those poor family. Their backpacks are over there.
Yeah.
And
It was huge.
it was like a dog size.
Yeah. It was like a dog size. I was like oh. Hello.
Coming for your bag!
He was basically saying to them, we were trying to get to the backpack. We were saying to them, hey guys, I found it first.
Yeah.
Don't try it.
Yeah.
And then
So we had
just
to
crashed the
warn them
lady.
that it was
Yeah.
coming.
Just crashed the lady going, "Ah,
Yeah.
get out of here." And then walked out.
But that family is smart. Everything that they have in terms of food with the children, it's all in the backpack.
On the
and
backpack,
locked.
yeah. They put them all away.
And that's what you need to do because they learn, they're scavengers. They learn how to go through people's. Now he went
Yeah.
that way.
Yeah,
Which is,
to
people are
to
sleeping.
terrorize other people laying on the beach.
Yeah. So, but it's like, you know they are here because there's so many signs saying don't feed the animal, but it also means they are here.
Yeah, exactly. I absolutely love this place. It's so cool.
And there's a for disabled right there.
What?
So this is the guy we saw on the beach.
Oh yes.
Yes. Our park. Good hours.
Yeah, so that was really good. It was more accessible than I thought it would be. We'll go to the part where it was
Just before the swamp bit.
yeah, that was really good.
Yes.
But other than that, it was really enjoyable. We went in, we sat down for a while, we just enjoyed chilling by the beach front. Yeah, I really recommend this for anybody, literally anybody who wants to come down. I love this place. I love it so much that we're actually now talking about possibly I want to stay A bit
Kingsley
longer.
staying
and Dee
behind.
is going.
And I'm doing my thing.
I was going to.
There you go, Bobo.
That's what we're talking about, but of course it's not going to happen. But I love it that much, though. That I had to think twice. But yes, good stuff. Definitely a place to come back to in the future. That's for sure. So now we're gonna look for something to eat. Go to the ATM machine, get some cash out.
Yeah. Let's do
And
that
then
first.
do some research. So tomorrow we need to head into Panama. So we need to do some research how to get from here to Panama, essentially, or to the border. I think is the frontera is the first goal.
Yes.
And then make our way-
100%. Making our way to the border.
Yeah.
From there, continuing. Hola.
Buenos dias. Yeah, and from there making our way. Yeah. That's the goal. But in terms of nature and people, this has a combination of both.
And
Just
it's
amazing.
super accessible.
Yeah, yes.
Like, let's show them the supermarket here, for example. The supermarket here
Yes.
has ramps.
Yeah,
seriously,
yeah,
you're
yeah.
looking at it, but all of them has ramps.
So by law, everybody's supposed to have.
Fala de
Do you
novo?
want to get a drink? Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Yeah, sure. Even there, look at that. Oh.
A cup of sausage.
No, that's bread. Supermarket run by Asian looking people. Yeah, I love it. Oh, wow. Yeah, iced tea.
Most pecanos. Apparently it does add more.
This gives me a vibe of Anguilla.
I like selling prices, that's why. Is that why you're using the bike?
No, the whole setting.
So
How it is.
there's some supermarket in Angola where there's no price on there, and you get to the checkout fee, and it feels like they're just making them up.
Yes, as they go along.
This is $20 what? This is $27 what? The same thing.
Yeah.
You know I'm right, Angolans.
They're laughing at it right
Don't
now.
blame me. I can't remember the name of the supermarket. I know, definitely. You want some plastic?
Oh yeah, I'm running out. I'm running out of eggs too.
So the first hostel we stayed at had a fridge like this with a see-through. It makes so much sense. You can see this stuff before you open it up.
Should I open it? Should I not open it?
I know.
They got ramen here too.
Look at what?
Ramen. And they got small frijoles, big frijoles.